rocket. I just want to post this because it's just cool. You know, it's not every day it's a fucking SpaceX rocket. So, it's a Falcon 9. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket carrying 2
Wow.
Galileo satellites to medium Earth orbit. The Falcon 9 has cleared the tower, and for the first time, Galileo satellites for the European Commission are flying under the power of an American-built rocket. Let's listen
Sounds
to
like-
the roar of those 9 Merlin engines.
Holy shit. Oh, hello. So fucking black, you can see me, the fucking reflection, because the light's on behind me. 1 second, I'll turn that off. Ah, that's better. Now you can't see me.
All
It's not
good
black.
anomaly with this mission so far. About to approach XQ, the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Some
Shit's
great
so
graphic
fucking
views
cool.
From our team here. This view from Pete Karstens with Max Q Productions. Falcon 9
What the fuck?
supersonic.
I'm bored, my ability just fought.
Faster than the speed of sound.
Bro, there's a fucking flying super.
Vehicles passing through Max Q. We're now just about a minute away from a few different events coming up in rapid succession. Nico
This is
or
actually so
Vintage
fucking
Cup
cool.
Coming up at T+.
Like, I know this is a NASCAR channel, but this shit's cool. I just had to fucking record it.
Separation,
It's just
3
cool.
seconds later, and then second stage engine starter SES1 T plus 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Now 2 minutes to flight. They're now thermally conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine, preparing it for its ignition.
Yeah, well, but didn't explode.
Views from our tracking camera.
That's probably what a whole bunch of people were just waiting for.
Bernstein.
Just to...
Parsons, Max Q Productions. Less than 20 seconds now until Miko.
This motherfucker's like in space, I think. So that's why it looks shitty. I promise it's not the camera, it's the fucking quality. The quality is actually shit. Whoa.
And Miko. Stage separation.
Someone said this missile is sick, but can it hit Israel? Yo, we got...
Seeing those events now from the SpaceX feed. First stage,
Yeah.
booster falling away from the upper stage. And
This shit's actually cool.
of the European
Alright.
Commission, we are not getting upper stage views of the payload.
Bye. This shit's cool as fuck.
Offering